Just a quick one today. We're going to do a room tour of our room in the Hilton Palm Jumeirah. It's an executive room with access to the lounge. So I will show you the room and show you the lounge. Let's go. We'll look at our room now. This is an executive room. So we get access to the executive lounge, which is on the next floor up. We're in room 1227. So as you walk in, you've got the controls here for your lights and your do not disturb, makeup room. They're all electric press. On your right, you've got a wardrobe with an ironing board, iron, extra large safe. In fact, one of the largest safes I've seen in a hotel room. You've got some drawers and your hairdryer in that one. Loads of storage. And then next to that, you've got, this is all free as part of your room. So you've got a coffee maker, kettle, free water, your cups. And then in here you have your instant coffees and your teas. And in here you've got the pods for the coffee maker. Some spoons, as you can see. I'll put that down. And then this is your mini bar, which you have to pay for. So this is all at an extra cost. So that's what you get in there. Some soft drinks, beers, wines, some spirits, Kit Kats. There's a few snacks in here. And a bottle of wine down there. If you want to have a look at the prices, this is what they charge if you want to have these as an extra. Next to this you've got another double wardrobe for your clothes, excuse the mess. And then just to the left here you've got your lights for your bathroom. You've got your bathroom, lovely deep bath, Crabtree shower gel conditioner shampoo that they provide. And you've got your sink, and they give you some little kits there, dental kits and so on. Big massive shower, really powerful, lovely shower. Toilet and your bidet. Into the bedroom. Control for your heating. And then 2 bedside tables. They do provide you with a clock if you want that. Very comfy bed, queen size bed. Huge telly, absolutely huge telly. Then storage drawers underneath. Chair. And then a sofa with a table there. And a desk. If you want to do any work. Or the girls want to put any makeup on. And then we go through to the balcony. This is actually a sea view room. So we walk out. Some chairs and a table. Actually at the top floor. This is the entrance to the bar, fly by Buddha bar as well. So this is the executive lounge. See a nice seating area here. It's the bar as well for the evening drinks. Not a bad view, is it, to sit and have your morning coffee, bit of breakfast. Yeah, there's not as much choice up here as there is in the buffet downstairs, but it's quite sufficient for us. This is actually a really good lounge that we use quite a lot, well, every day actually. It's a good addition. It's well worth the upgrade price. It is a lot quieter up here as well. It gets you away from the bustle of down there. But yeah, if you are going to come, try and get one of these executive rooms with lounge access. And as you can see on the top of the hotel roof there, that's actually one of the presidential suites here at the Hilton. $10,000 per night if you want to stay in that. Not a bad view though. Yeah, it's quite big, this lounge as well. As you can see, there's some nice seating areas, very comfy. Yeah, so you come out the lounge and see in the distance the Burj Al Arab and the Burj Khalifa. We had actually upgraded to an executive room, which gives you 2 hours of free drinks in the executive lounge, as well as breakfast and snacks, but afternoon tea actually they call it, between 3 and 4, and then 5 to 7 is the free drinks. You can have as many as you want, all the way on selected drinks again though. But your spirits are in there, your beers in there, your wines in there. So yeah, there's enough option, and it is a good idea because it, like I said, if you go out of the happy hour in the restaurants and bars, it is quite expensive for drink here. They don't drink here, so they don't really want you to drink, so they put the taxes on it. It is what it is. You know that before you come here, so yeah, like I said, highly recommend it. 10 out of 10. So it was just a short video today, just to show you around our room and what you get in the lounge for the executive upgrade. I hope you've enjoyed watching the video. We've got a lot more content to come, so please follow my Dubai series, and we'll see you in the next one.